It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to take a closer look at the Mega Everdrive. So for the people who have really no clue what is a Mega Everdrive, so I'm going to explain it in short. Alright, what does it do? What you can see here, we're having this SD card. Okay, and now I'm going to try to a little time to putting it out. The CF card or SD card, you can put ROM files on it. So what the Everdrive does is very simple. You're putting in the SD card. You're going to load the ROM files that are on this SD card into the chip itself. So the Mega Drive sees it like an original game. That is really cool. But I can tell you, that is some freaking magic, man. Oh yeah. But alright, what are we going to talk about? Because there are a little different versions out there. For example, we have the, how am I saying this correctly? The grids or something, yeah, something like that. This is, I must say, the Everdrive are very nice of this brand, but they are freaking expensive. This thing is not very expensive. But the question is still, is this worth your money? I think it's more the question, what are you searching for and how big is your budget? We're going to take a close look at it. What you can see already, it comes here with this little button. What I understand, this is the pause button for Master System games, because you can play Master System games with it. So that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So man. Alright, so transparent shell is very thick, plastic, looks very nice. Alright, let's take it in. Let's try some games and let's see how fast it's loading the games. Because it's all magic. The first game is 512 kilobytes. And this is how long it takes to load it up. Alright, so it's starting and it took some time erasing the old 512 kilobyte file. And this is a 2 MB file or 2000 kilobytes. And as you can see, it takes some time to load it up into the chip so we can play. And it's almost ready. Alright, so I have the message that I can't play the game because I'm playing on a PAL system. Okay, it's a great way to check if this region free works. Let's go to the option, region free, saving. So keep in mind the game that I loaded up is still in the chip. When pressing the play button and going to start it up. So as you can see, it works. The region free is working, so that is pretty damn awesome. Don't mind the PAL system, I know. It runs really horrible if you're used to the 60 frame or the 60 Hz version. Yep. Sorry guys, this is something we need to live with here in this part of the world. PAL. Alright, for the final test we're going to choose an 4 megabyte file size. Alright, erasing takes some time, like always. So and this is something I think it's a big bummer. I was hoping with the Mega Everdrive that we don't need to wait so long, that we don't need to wait every time. And now we're having a very huge file for a Mega Drive game. And oh my god, this takes forever. It's taking forever. Uploading game to this Mega Everdrive. So you're getting the point. It takes forever. Alright, so for the final conclusion, what do I think of the Mega Everdrive? This compared with the original Griggs version, this thing is a super budget device. Seriously, because the original are pretty damn expensive compared with this one. But this is a really budget. So first of all, loading the games, I was slightly disappointed. I was thinking, oh man, we're having the Mega Everdrive. Okay, they finally made this thing faster. It's a little bit faster like the old one, the Chinese Everdrive, that was seriously freaking cheap. But still, to be honest, no. You still need to wait, I hate it. The Mega Everdrive from Griggs is expensive, has this I would say, almost instant load. And that is something, for example, that has some multi-card too. I really like it. So this is what you're going to get. It's not bad at all. It's a fun way to play some old games. And yeah, let me know what you think of this. Would you even consider buying something like this? Again, it's not cheap. And this is the Mega Everdrive from China.